Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we will talk about two new advanced tools of coloring. They are very interesting. Let's start. The first tool today is Live Paint Bucket. This tool is used for coloring parts of design. For example, I will make three circles like this. And I will open color window. And now select three circles and use Live Paint. Now I will pick any color like this and I can color any part of this like this. And I can increase the stroke and I have this shape. The second tool today is Live Paint Selection tool. This tool is used for selecting any path after coloring by Live Paint Bucket. For example, I will make a circle like this and two lines across, and now select all and use Live Paint Bucket. Now if I want to choose or select this part only, if I select direct selection tool and choose this part, it will select all line. But if I want to select this only, I will choose Live Paint Selection tool and I can choose this only and delete it. And I have another example for Live Paint Selection tool. I will make two lines like this, increase the stroke, and with Live Paint Bucket I will make them group. And now with Live Paint Selection tool I can select only this part and change the color like this. And if I select this part with direct selection tool, it will change the color like this.
That was all for today. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, leave it in comments and I will be happy to answer it. Goodbye.